Gemini-san, long time no see.
Hey Vicky, I'm planning to go to Kyoto on September 15th. Won't you meet up somewhere?
Sounds good. How about bouldering like last time?
Oh, sorry, I'm currently injured my foot. Any other good ideas?
Take care. Oh, by the way, I've created an app called Gemini-Chan that uses Gemini AI and is perfect for where to hang out. Give it a try.
Oh, it sounds great. I'll install it. I'm start talking with Gemini-Chan. Okay. Oh, I love this. Oh, it was recognized. This and also, I'm a big fan of Japanese video game. Oh, it works. I want to be a friend with it's her account. So send to Picky. Oh, it's approved. So move to her profile. Oh, she also likes Japanese video game. I love it. So I want to go to shopping in Kyoto on September 15th. Okay. Oh, it's Nintendo store in Kyoto. I'm checking URL. Oh, it's cute. I like this, so I want to go there. So, okay, open calendar and check date, okay, and send invite to her.
September 15th, Nintendo Kyoto. Okay. Let Gemini guide you to new adventures. Gemini-Chan.